2024 BMW M2.
Absolutely. So right now I'm running a downpipe, mid-pipe, no intake yet. It is custom unlock. It is ventral unlock right now. So there's going to be a little bit more headroom, and I'm on an MHD off-the-shelf 91 tune. So it's definitely not the fastest tune that there is right now, but until my flex fuel kit comes in, then this is what we're working with.
Does it shoot flames at all or no? No. Because it's still stock exhaust, right?
Stock, what is it, axle back?
Stock axle back, but you said mid pipe and what else? The mid pipe, down pipe.
So goddamn fast, bro.
Hey, it was way closer this time.
Did it look like I was brake boosting?
No, well, at one point, I heard the car go like, ah,
oh,
like
that's the anthem, yeah.
Oh, so that's the anthem. Oh shit. Okay, well, yeah, I definitely heard. I thought you were brake boosting.
No.
I was like, oh.
Yeah,
okay.
Dude, that was a fucking fun ass last run. So you hold it down, and then you gotta apply a certain amount of throttle. If you don't apply a certain amount of throttle, it just doesn't pick up the hand drag at all. And oh my god, bro! I don't the fuck the win on.
I think
that was fun as hell.
I think like the first one, right? I think I got you the most there, and I think everyone after that, you were just getting closer and closer and closer. So the last one, it was like really close. Like I'm gonna have to rewatch like the clips because you didn't even have like intercoolers or anything on it. It was just stop.
The crazy thing about it is with the tune, they actually have an option that adds extra coolant too. So
it runs longer.
So
Okay.
It does kind of help.
Gotcha. Cool. All right, there you have it. That's the results, guys.